Peace, love, and light. Healingthrough inspiration. How y'all doing? In case you forgot, feathers up, feathers up. We're not just talking; we're actually living it. American pride. So here I'm supposed to do my I'm sorry, not my fast. What is it called? My meditation here shortly. Been putting it off. Man's been doing stuff. Y'all see it. But one of the things, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Daily uploads. If you guys want to book a one-on-one consultation, you guys can do that by sending us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration.com, or you can just DM us on Instagram. We post on a regular on Instagram as well. Trying to clear that up. Looking at this connection. Connection just giving us an issue. Well, one of the things I saw on our Instagram is scrolling some be like, young be like, He had a big cut, and it looks like he was putting alcohol over it, and it is, and apparently it's supposed to be like, oh, in the videos, like, the caption was like, oh, watch this, one of those captions they put on top of the thing, like, and I'm just like, okay, and then it was like, he's like, oh, watch this right here. And then he's supposed to watch it. And I guess he started shaking because it's like, I could tell by the way he was breathing, he was just going to be spazzing out and be in a lot of pain. I didn't want to watch that. I didn't want to watch someone else's suffering. I think a lot of other people find that humorous. But, but one of the things that most definitely it made me think, it made me go relate to, as far as I showed you guys this footage, as far as us being in the forest. And we were in there for, 4 to 5 hours. And with that being said, we had a shorts on and we were walking through the forest. One of the things that, the plants had vines, and those things right there, the vines, it got through our legs, and they gave us cuts. It gave us, made cuts. It cut our legs, because we had some cuts on our legs. It was stinging. And the stinging sensation it became a rather of an irritant, most definitely. So because of that, I ended up picking up a blackberry leaf, or I think it's a blackberry. It's a blackberry or blueberry leaf, and I just took the leaf and I pressed it on the cut. I pressed it on the cut firmly. And when I pressed it on the cut firmly, I just held it there. Still kept walking. For like a couple of seconds. I don't even know if it was 30 seconds. Then I just took it off. Guess what? Guess what happened to the stinging? It was freaking gone. It was freaking gone. That easy. That easy. That easy, dog? That freaking easy. That freaking easy. It was gone that freaking easy, man. I kid you not, bro. It was gone just like that. It was gone just like that. I did it with nature. You put the body into nature, and the body will heal itself. Would it not make sense that nature can heal me? Well, my skin is the same color as the soil. My skin is the same color as the trees. And my hair grows as the trees. This stuff is very telling right here, man. Very telling. Very telling. I just don't know what to say to people. Like, if you don't know this, like, this is a wake-up call. Especially because right now, as of now, this coronavirus. This is something but a wake-up call to you guys. I mean, you're either going to wake up or you're not. Simple as that. Wake up call, simple as that. You're either gonna wake up or you not. How about that? I keep telling y'all, like I'm giving y'all ways how to heal yourself over years, and I mean, shoot, and how to heal yourself from obesity. They have so many pills and all this fat pill and obese pill, whatever the hell they name it. They get this and that, and then they you go to get cut open and whatnot, and it's like, it's not actually, because the people still come back and get obese. So what is it? It's not an exterior thing. It's an internal thing. It has to do with the mind. Because if you continue to do the old ways of thinking, you continue to get the same results. Same results. It's kind of like, I give you an example, it's like, get someone, with a gambling addiction, or someone who's just been a broke-minded person with a large sum of money. Like lottery winners. Majority of them go broke. They're gonna go broke. Same way, like I said, with these obese people who get cut open, get the lipo, and they look and they have the fat taken out of them. The mindset is not changed. They have not been conditioned for it. They did not earn it. So therefore, they're going to suffer for that. And you don't think all those incisions and one of those cuttings that's happening in your body, you don't think you're going to pay for that? Were you supposed to be born having all that? Huh? You think you think the fat, whatever what they call the fat in your arm and fat in your knee, you don't think it was supposed to be there? I don't know what part they took it from. And you don't know either, because you was unconscious when it happened. You know how many times people go under? They leave stuff in them. Tracking devices. Metal supplies, all supplies, just leave it in there. Oh. When is it? When are you gonna realize you got to get back to nature? Realize you're gonna you got to heal yourself, huh? What is that? Why do you put so much trust on people who get sick from the sun to heal you? Doesn't the sun power the earth? And they tell you not to look at the sun, not to be exposed to the sun. So they don't want you to experience the power of the earth? Is that the case? Are you the people of the sun? Why can't you look into the sun? They say you can't get contact from the sun. Why in the sun try to kill you off, huh? We're going to learn how to heal yourself. You book a consultation with us. DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. If you aren't following us already. Coronavirus course in the description. You dig? Originally caps in the bio. At healingthroughinspiration.com/shop, as well as the American Meaning hats. American Meaning apparel. Shirts, most definitely. We do have American Apparel, originally Forward socks, down in the description box below. That's inspired by the greatest DJ in the whole UK, DJ Gambler. You guys can book a consultation with him and that'll learn how to really cut records by the best DJ in the UK. That brother really knows what he's doing, you dig? Most definitely. And I will say this too. You guys want to start a business if you do have one. Or if you don't have one, you want to further enhance your sales. You guys got to learn marketing. We got the course down for you below. Got to get that in the description box, all right? I want you guys to have a great one. Peace, love, and light.